welcome back to our grand opening special of Super Nintendo World at Universal Studios Hollywood. And our next game happens to be features the iconic character from Nintendo, Mario. And what is that game? It's Mario's Game Gallery. And just like always, we will be playing Go Fish. So let's see how we do. I'm looking forward to having a good game here, so let's play.
Interplay.
Yeah.
Along with Presage, proudly present Mario's Game Gallery.
All right.
Hey, let's play checkers.
Let's play Go Fish.
That's a great game.
You bet it's a great game. There's the Cheep Cheep Mario. Get him.
Good luck.
Thank you, Mario. Let's play.
I'ma go first.
You go ahead.
Do you have any Koopas?
I do not.
Mario, go fish!
I'ma go fishing.
I guess you are.
Mario gets to go again.
Just like that. Wow.
I'd like to have your little toadies.
I don't have any.
Mario, go fish!
I'ma go fishing. It's your
Do
turn.
you have any Rip Van Fishes?
Go fish?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Please give me your Luigi's.
I have one Luigi.
Do you have any Koopas?
I'm afraid not.
Mario, go fish!
Come here, fishy fishy. Here, fishy fishy. Okay.
Do you have any Marios?
Go fish?
Oh, man. Alright.
I'm fishing for Rexes.
You're out of luck.
Mario, go fish!
Looks like it's time to go fishing again. It's your turn.
Do you have any Bowsers?
Yes,
Yay!
I have one card.
There we go. Do
Okay.
you have a Piranha Plant?
Yes,
Yeah!
I have one card.
Alright, now we're getting somewhere.
It's your
Do
turn.
you have a Princess?
Yes,
Yeah!
I have one card.
We're on a roll now. Do you
Okay.
have a Goomba?
Go fish?
And that's where my lucky streak ends. Okay.
I'd like to have your big booze.
I do not have it.
Mario, go fish!
Looks like it's time to go fishing again. It's your
I'll take
turn.
the Luigi's.
Yes, I'ma have two cards.
Pop them up. Thank you. Do
Okay.
you have a Rip Van Fish?
Go fish?
Darn it. Okay.
Do you have any
I
Marios?
was gonna ask you for that next.
I'm fishing for Koopas.
Fish somewhere else.
Mario, go fish!
Come here, fishy fishy. Here, fishy fishy.
Give me
Okay.
your big booze.
Yes, I have one card.
Pop them up.
It's your
Do you
turn.
have a Bowser?
Go fish?
Darn it. Okay.
Please give me your
Oh,
Luigi's.
nice.
That's one book for Mario.
Under nothing at the moment, but that's okay.
I'm looking for Mario's.
Already gave you one.
Mario, go fish!
I'm go fishing.
I guess you are. Do
Okay.
you have a Yoshi?
Go fish?
Oh, man. Oh, okay.
I'd like to have your little
I
toadies.
have none.
Mario, go fish!
Looks like it's time to go fishing again. It's your
You have
turn.
a Piranha Plant?
Go fish?
Fooey. Alright.
I'm looking for
Oh.
Goombas.
Got it. Darn.
I'm fishing for
I'm gonna
Bob-ombs.
ask you for that next.
Please give me your Marios.
Can't.
Mario, go fish!
I'm go fishing.
Do
Okay.
you have a Princess?
Go fish?
Fooey. Okay, okay.
I'm fishing for
Oh,
Yoshi's.
darn it.
I'm looking for
I
bombs.
already gave you one.
Mario, go fish.
Come here, fishy, fishy.
Give
Here, fishy, fishy. It's your
me your
turn.
Marios.
Yes, I'ma have 2 cards.
That's right. Cough them up.
It's your
Have a
turn.
big boo.
Go fish.
Fooey. Oh, I got a
That's
book.
a 1 book for
So
you.
right now it's 1-1. It's a tie.
Do you have any Yoshis?
Negative.
Mario, go fish.
Looks like it's time to go fishing again. That's another book for
Oh,
Mario.
2-1 right now. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Do you have a Rip Van Fish?
Go fish.
Fooey. Okay.
Do you have any little toadies?
Negative.
Mario, go fish.
Ah, I'ma guess I'ma go fishing.
I guess you are. Let me
Okay.
have a Rex.
Yes, I have 1 card.
There we go. Now we're getting somewhere.
It's
Do
your
you have
turn.
a Bowser?
Go fish.
Fooey. Okay.
I'd like to have your Goombas.
Negative.
Mario, go fish.
Come here, fishy, fishy. Here, fish. That's another book for Mario.
2-1. Uh-oh.
Hey, I get another turn.
Oh, you lucky duck.
Please give me your Yoshis.
No.
Mario, go fish.
Come here, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy.
Do you
Okay.
have a princess?
Go fish.
Fooey. Yeah,
That's another book for
Got
you.
what I wanted.
You got what you wanted.
Yes, I did.
It's your
Do you
turn.
have a piranha plant?
Go fish.
Fooey. Got what I
You
wanted.
get another turn.
Do you
Okay.
have a big boo?
Go fish.
Fooey. Got what I wanted again.
You get another turn. It's your
Do you
turn.
have a Rex?
Yes,
Yeah.
I have 1 card.
Can I get a whoop whoop? Do
Okay.
you have a Rip Van Fish?
Go fish.
Fooey. Oh, I got
That's
another book.
another book for
3-3.
you.
It's another tie.
I'm fishing for little
You'll have
toadies.
to fish somewhere else.
Mario, go fish.
Ah, I'ma guess I'ma go fishing.
I guess you are.
I got what I asked
Oh,
for.
you lucky duck.
Do you have any Koopas?
No, Mario.
Mario, go fish.
Looks like it's time to go fishing again. It's your
Do you have
turn.
a Bowser?
Go fish.
Darn it. Oh, I got
That's
another book.
another book for you.
4-3 right now.
I'm looking for Yoshis.
You're out of luck.
Mario, go fish.
Come here, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy.
You
Okay.
have a big boo.
Go fish.
Darn it. Okay, okay.
Please give me
Oh,
your
sniped
Rip Van
them.
Fishy.
It's another tie.
That's another book for Mario.
I'm feeling hesitant now.
Do you have any little toadies?
That's a negative.
Mario, go fish.
Ah, I'ma guess I'ma go fishing.
It's a tie right now.
That's another book for
This
Mario.
is not looking good.
It's your
Yes, it is.
turn.
Give me your Yoshis.
Oh no! I'ma got 3 cards.
5-5.
That's another book for
A
you.
lot riding on this now.
Okay.
Do you have a Bowser?
Go fish.
I didn't think so, but will I get what I want here? No, I will not.
I'd like to have your little
Now
toadies.
I'm definitely in trouble.
That's another book for Mario.
Yeah, Mario's gonna snipe this.
Looks like it's time to go fishing again.
Looks like it is.
Please give me your big booze.
Aww.
That's another book for Mario. Come here, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy. I'd like to have your Bowsers.
Well, Mario sniped the game.
That's another book
But
for
that's okay.
Mario.
I can always try again in the next special.
That was a lots of fun.
Yes, it was. Good game. But for right now, we're going to end this segment, and I'll see you all for another one after the break.